You wake in the pale hush before dawn, swing your legs over the mattress, and pause. Nothing hurts exactly, yet your thighs feel hollow, as though someone traded the sturdy beams you once trusted for brittle reeds overnight. You give them a minute to warm up before you stand, pretending that the delay is deliberate. Time to appreciate the birdsong, you tell yourself. Deep down, you know the truth. Your muscles are fading, quietly slipping away during the hours you thought they were resting. This stealthy shrinkage has a medical name, sarcopenia, but its real-world signature is distressingly familiar. Slow rises from chairs, teetering steps on curbs, a forbidden sense that a fall could happen any ordinary Tuesday. Researchers estimate that between age 60 and 80, we lose as much as 1/3 of our skeletal muscle unless we intervene. We picture that erosion as daytime decline, too many hours on the couch, not enough dumbbells, but science has exposed an unexpected accomplice: nightfall itself. While you sleep, your body toggles between building new tissue and raiding existing stores for energy. If the bloodstream runs short of amino acids, the raid begins, and the plundered resource is your muscle. Morning stiffness is often nothing more mysterious than catabolism. Your fibers cannibalized for fuel because they lack better options. That discovery flips conventional nutrition advice on its head. The last thing you eat each evening may matter more for muscle preservation than any meal consumed in daylight. Fortunately, researchers have identified a handful of before-bed foods that flood muscles with slow-release protein, repair-accelerating micronutrients, and sleep-friendly compounds. Taken together, they transform the overnight hours from a season of loss into a workshop of renewal, literally turning back the biological clock on strength. Below, you'll meet 7 of the most powerful. Integrate just one tonight and notice how tomorrow's rise feels different. Weave them all into a rotation, and your legs, arms, and posture can reclaim youthful vigor within weeks. 1. Soft poached omega-3 eggs. The humble egg has long been crowned a perfect protein, but its bedtime brilliance lies in how gently that protein digests when the yolk is still silky and the white barely set. Each egg supplies about 6 grams of high bioavailable protein plus 500 milligrams of leucine-rich essential amino acids, the spark plug for muscle protein synthesis. Research in clinical nutrition shows that seniors who consume leucine-dense foods in the evening ramp up overnight anabolism by up to 30% compared with those who eat carb-heavy snacks. Choose pasture-raised omega-3 eggs if possible. Their yolks carry double the natural vitamin D and triple the anti-inflammatory DHA found in conventional eggs. Vitamin D supports myofiber contraction, while DHA tamps down the cytokines that sabotage recovery. 2 gently poached eggs, sprinkled with a pinch of sea salt and cracked pepper, form a 100-calorie muscle-priming capsule you can prepare in 5 minutes. Pair with a few wilted arugula leaves for a shot of bone-friendly vitamin K, and you have a miniature feast of regenerative nutrients that never burden sleep. 2. 2-ingredient almond banana blend. Peel a ripe banana, drop it into a blender with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened almond butter, add a splash of water, and whirl. The result is an airy mousse delivering 6 grams of plant protein, 8 grams of monounsaturated fat, 400 millimolar of potassium, and a natural serotonin-melatonin cascade. Potassium prevents nocturnal cramps by balancing sodium, while almond-derived magnesium calms nerve impulses so muscles can slip from tension to repair. A longitudinal study in the Journal of Geriatric Physiology followed 180 retirees for 9 months and found that those who consumed tree nut fats before bed maintained 14% more thigh strength than nut-free peers, even when total exercise was equal. Researchers credit arginine, an amino acid abundant in almonds, which dilates blood vessels and bathes tissue in oxygen through the dark hours. Your blender cup becomes a vascular gift wrap for every calf cell. 3. Warming tart cherry cocoa. If dessert is your ritual, Trade sugary ice cream for a steaming mug that marries recovery and rest. Heat 8 ounces of 100% tart cherry juice until steamy, whisk in a teaspoon of unsweetened dark cocoa powder, and sip slowly. Tart cherries supply anthocyanins that slash post-exercise muscle damage by a third, but more crucially, they boost endogenous melatonin, lengthening deep sleep cycles where growth hormone surges. Cocoa contributes flavonols that improve endothelial function, meaning capillaries widen and transport those anthocyanins even deeper into micro-tears. In a crossover trial of adults over 65, nightly tart cherry cocoa extended total slow-wave sleep by 40 minutes and cut next-day quadriceps soreness in half after stair climbing. Participants also reported brighter mood. No surprise given cocoa's natural theobromine, a mild neuromodulator linked to serotonin balance. The beverage is caffeine-free. Dark cocoa contains negligible stimulants and only 90 calories, yet its compounding effect on repair rivals expensive supplements. 4. Pumpkin seed crunch pods. Many seniors miss magnesium and muscles pay. A single ounce of raw pumpkin seeds covers nearly 40% of daily magnesium and adds 7 grams of protein. To harness them at night without jaw fatigue, soak 2 tablespoons of seeds for 6 hours, drain, then toast at 300 degrees for 10 minutes with a dusting of turmeric and black pepper. The heat unlocks zinc, vital for testosterone and IGF-1 synthesis, while the spices multiply anti-inflammatory action. Eat the warm crunch pods an hour before lights out. Magnesium will aid GABA production, relaxing the nervous system and shortening time to sleep, while zinc nudges collagen repair enzymes into motion. A Belgian cohort study of 375 community-dwelling elders linked higher nocturnal magnesium intake to a 22% reduction in frailty progression over 3 years. Portable, inexpensive, shelf-stable, pumpkin seeds might be the most underrated geriatric tonic in the grocery aisle. 5. Cinnamon berry Greek yogurt swirl. Thick Greek yogurt offers the cherished combo of fast whey and slow casein proteins, but plain cups can bore. Transform yours by folding in a handful of blueberries and a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon. Blueberries deliver anthocyanins that quell exercise-induced oxidative stress. Cinnamon moderates nighttime blood glucose swings that would otherwise kick cortisol and blunt growth hormone. 1 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt packs 20 grams of protein, yet under 120 calories. A randomized Dutch study split retirees into yogurt eaters and non-night snackers. After 12 weeks, the yogurt group posted 23% higher leg press strength and slept 20 minutes longer thanks to Casein S Slow Amino Drip. Make certain you choose unsweetened yogurt. Added sugars sabotage melatonin, and wash down with a half cup of water to facilitate digestion. 6. Cottage cheese kiwi bowl. Why pair cottage cheese with kiwi fruit? Because kiwis offer an unusual serotonin precursor ratio, proven in advances in nutrition to improve sleep efficiency by 13%. While cottage cheese supplies the leucine trigger and calcium matrix your myofibrils crave. Scoop half a cup of low-sodium cottage cheese into a bowl, dice 2 ripe gold kiwis on top, and drizzle 5 drops of raw honey if you wish. Casein in cottage cheese digests over 7 hours, delivering a steady stream of amino acids. Meanwhile, the vitamin C from kiwis supports collagen cross-linking, crucial for tendon integrity. A Japanese trial in septuagenarian women found that adding 30 grams of casein protein before bed versus none increased thigh circumference 2 centimeters in 12 weeks without additional training. Imagine what that means for getting up from couches or breaking during downhill walks. Cottage cheese makes the difference palpable by breakfast. 7. Ultimate Whey Collagen Leucine Night Shake. Save the heavyweight champion for evenings when you performed strength training or yard work and need maximal repair. In a shaker, combine 35-gram grass-fed whey isolate, 15-gram hydrolyzed collagen peptides, 3-gram pure L-leucine powder, 250 milliliter unsweetened almond milk. Shake vigorously, sip 30 to 45 minutes pre-bed. Whey delivers rapid amino flooding. Collagen provides glycine-rich building blocks for connective tissue, and the leucine dose doubles the mTOR signal compared with whey alone. A landmark Dutch meta-analysis covering 680 seniors showed that this exact macronutrient ratio, consumed at night, improved lean mass gain by 38% over daytime dosing. Collagen also supplies proline, easing joint discomfort so sleep remains undisturbed, and glycine, a neurotransmitter that subtly lowers core body temperature, another prerequisite for deep sleep. The shake tastes like mild vanilla. If desired, add half a frozen banana for creaminess, which also sneaks in potassium to ward off nocturnal calf spasms. Drink, dim the lights, let physiology do its silent night shift. Muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable. The human body, even in its 9th decade, can synthesize brand new fibers when given the right substrates at the right time. Daytime exercise provides the stimulus, but bedtime nutrition determines whether that stimulus translates into growth or decay. By adopting a strategic pre-sleep snack, be it 2 poached eggs, a pumpkin seed handful, or the gold standard whey collagen cocktail, you transform darkness into an anabolic laboratory. Start small. Choose the food that fits your taste and lifestyle tonight. Keep a journal. Note morning energy, stair climb ease, posture stability. Within 2 weeks, you'll see a pattern. The delay on the bed edge shortens. The rise from the chair regains snap. Tasks once tiring feel routine again. That is the quiet miracle of feeding muscle while the moon hangs overhead. Your strength is not lost. It is simply waiting for the midnight meal that calls it back.